Imagine yourself in this Ram 2018 2500 SLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and tip start. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.